Hello everyone, this is a chapter 1, rational number of class 8. Before going to rational numbers, first we must know what are the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. So natural numbers are all counting numbers 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. These are all natural numbers. Now whole numbers are all the natural numbers together with 0 up to again infinity. These are whole numbers. Now integers. What are the integers? Integers are the numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers with 0. That means -3, -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. These are the integers. We call these numbers are integers. 1, 2, 3 these are positive numbers. -1, -2, -3 are negative numbers together with 0. That means 0 include होता है. But 0 is neither negative nor positive integer. 0 क्या है? वो नेगेटिव भी नहीं होता और वो पॉजिटिव भी नहीं होता. Now next numbers are fractions. Fractions are the numbers which are in the form of a upon b. The numbers in the form of a upon b. These are the, we call this type of numbers are fractions. Now here a is in numerator and b is in denominator, where a and b are whole numbers. यहाँ क्या होता है? a and b are whole numbers. These are in the form of a upon b. Now rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p upon q. You can take here any alphabet. p upon q. Rational numbers are in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers. Where यहाँ p और q क्या होते हैं? p and q are integers. You know the integers. p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. The meaning of this, q is not equal to 0 means the value of q is not equal to 0. Students, we know the fractions and we know the rational numbers also, but we must know the difference between the fraction and rational numbers. Now what are the fractions? We know that numbers in the form of a upon b, these are the fractions. Here a is in numerator and b is in denominator. But a and b are whole numbers. Where a and b are whole numbers. Fraction in the form of a upon b, where a is in numerator and b is in denominator, and a and b are whole numbers. Similarly, rational numbers are also in the form of p upon q. रैशनल नंबर भी कौन से फॉर्म में होते हैं? p अपॉन q. यहाँ p भी कहाँ है? न्यूमरेटर में है and q is in denominator. q कहाँ है? डिनोमिनेटर में है. ये सेम चीजें हैं, a upon b form and p upon q form, but here is one of the difference that p and Q are integers. क्या होते हैं? P and Q are integers. यहाँ P और Q क्या होंगे? Integers होंगे और यहाँ A और B क्या है? Whole numbers है. This is one of the most important difference between fraction and rational numbers. And Q is not equal to 0. Now next topic is properties of rational numbers. Now we will know the properties of rational numbers. First property is closure property, second is commutative property, third is associative property, and fourth is distributive property. Now we will is closure property. Now we have suppose A upon B plus C upon D, then we will get the rational numbers. Means rational numbers are closed under addition. Then for subtraction, A upon B minus C upon D, then we will get the rational number again. If we subtract two rational numbers, then we will get the rational number. That means rational numbers are closed under subtraction also. A upon B multiplied by C upon D. When we multiply two rational numbers, then we will get the rational number. That means rational numbers are closed under multiplication, and A upon B divided by C upon D. That means we divide two rational numbers, then we will get rational numbers. That means again rational numbers are closed under division also. Next property is if we divide two rational numbers, then we will get rational number. That means that A by C upon D, then we will get the rational number. That means rational numbers are closed under division except 0. That जैसे हम 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तब हमको 0 ही मिलता है ना. Now any rational number by 0, then the answer is not defined. That means the rational numbers are closed under division except 0. Now next property is commutative property. In this property, suppose we have A upon B plus C upon D, then it is equal to C upon D plus A upon B. That means when we divide two rational numbers, then we can change the addends of this C upon D plus A upon B. You can write it like this also. That means if rational numbers are commutative under addition, we have A upon B minus C upon D is not equal to C upon D minus A upon D. इसका मतलब है rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. जब भी हम subtract करेंगे तो ये दोनों पार्ट इक्वल नहीं होंगे. If we have A upon B multiplied by C upon D is equal to C upon D multiplied by A upon B. That means if we multiply two rational numbers is equal to like this, A upon B multiplied by C upon D and equal to C upon D multiplied by A upon B. इसका मतलब है multiplication rational numbers are commutative under multiplication, and A upon B, if we have A upon B divided by C upon D is not equal to C upon D divided by A upon B. Rational numbers are not commutative under division. Now next property is associative property. In this property we have A upon B plus C upon upon D plus E upon F is equal to A upon B plus C upon D plus E upon F. That means rational numbers are associative under addition. Then for subtraction, A upon B minus C upon D minus E upon F is not equal to A upon B minus C upon D minus E upon F. इसका मतलब है rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. If we have again A upon B multiplied by C upon D multiplied by E upon F is equal to A upon B multiplied by C upon D multiplied by E upon F. This means rational numbers are associative under multiplication. A upon B divided by C upon D divided by E upon F is equal to A upon B divided by C upon D divided by is not equal to divided by E upon F. इसका मतलब है rational numbers are not associative under division. Now distributive property. Next property is distributive property. In this property, we have suppose A upon B multiplied by C upon D plus E upon F. Distributivity of multiplication is over subtraction and addition. So we can multiply this rational number A upon B with C upon D and A upon B multiplied with E upon F. That means A upon B multiplied by C upon D. This positive sign is must. You have to put your positive sign. Then again A upon B multiplied by E upon F. And this is for addition. And for subtraction also, A upon B multiplied by C upon D minus E upon F. So again we multiply this A upon B with C upon D and A upon B with E upon F. You can write it like this: A upon B multiplied by C upon D minus, this minus sign is most important to put here, A upon B multiplied by E upon F. That means distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. This is for subtraction. Numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, but in division except 0 it is not applicable. Now commutative property is applicable in addition and multiplication only. It is not applicable in subtraction and division. Now associative property is applicable in addition and multiplication only. It is not applicable in subtraction and division. And in distributive property is applicable in addition and subtraction. Inverse. Now additive inverse किसे बोलते हैं? Suppose you have 2 upon 3. आपके पास 2 upon 3 है. Now additive inverse of this is minus 2 upon 3. ये word inverse, the meaning of this word is opposite, just opposite. अभी हमको लेना है 2 upon 3 का additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 2 upon 3? That means additive inverse of 2 upon 3 is minus 2 upon 3. Just इसका opposite लेना है. That means you will get the 0. So additive identity of 2 upon 3 is minus 2 upon 3. Suppose you have minus 3 upon 4. So additive identity inverse of this minus 3 upon 4 is 3 upon 4. Then you will get 0. Next is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means we have taken the reciprocal of the given rational number. Suppose you have 4 upon 5. अगर आपके पास rational number है 4 upon 5. Now multiplicative inverse of this 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. Just हमने क्या किया 4 upon 5 का inverse ले लिया. That means reciprocal ले लिया. Then you will get 1. अब हमें क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ 1 मिल रहा है. So multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. Or one more example, 2 multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Then you will get again 1. Now multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? When we multiply any rational number 2 upon 5. Multiplicative identity. Suppose you have rational number 2 upon 5. We multiply this 1. Then you will get 2 upon 5. That means 1 is the multiplicative identity of rational numbers. Or 1 multiplied by 2 upon 5, we will get again 2 upon 5. Again 1 is the multiplicative identity of rational number. Now additive identity. Suppose you have 4 upon 5, then if you add 0 in that, then 0 plus 4 upon 5, then you will get the same rational number. That means 0. 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. Next topic is representation of rational number on number line. Now everybody knows the number line. You already learned it in class 7th. Then it is the number line. 0, -1, -2, -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. This is the number line for integers. You know that. Now suppose we have 2 upon 3 rational number and we represent this rational number on number line. Now how we will represent this on number line? It is positive or negative rational number? It is positive rational number. So you will take that right of the 0. We will plot this rational number on the right of 0. So first you will look at the denominator. आप पहले denominator को देखो क्या है denominator में 3 है. Now you divide this number line into 3 equal parts from 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 1. You will take it 1. Why it is 1? Because 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and this will be 3 upon 3. That means whenever you will divide it then it will be 1. तो ये हो गया 2 upon 3 is the representation of 2 upon 3 on the number line. आपको पहले क्या देखना है? डिनोमिनेटर को देखना है. डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 3 है. तो 0 के बाद उस नंबर लाइन को 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. 0 to 1, then 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. आपको स्टार्ट करना है 0 को छोड़ के. That means except that 0 you will count from here 1, 2 and 3. Then it will be 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 3. That means 1. So it is the representation of 2 upon 3 on the number line. Next example is minus 7 upon 4. Now we will represent minus 7 upon 4 on the number line. Now look at this, it is a negative rational number. ये negative rational number है और कौन सा है, proper है कि improper है, it is improper rational number. So we convert it into first mixed rational number. हमने इसको किस में convert किया, mixed rational number में convert किया. That means we divide that 7 by 4, then you will get 1 whole 3 upon 4. But it is negative rational number, so you will put here negative sign. Again look at the denominator. Denominator is 4. So first you convert this in 4 parts. Now because of negative rational number, you will take this rational number left of the 0. हमको क्या करना है, 0 के left plot करना है. Again we convert, take 4 equal parts after that 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is -1. Why we will take it is in between -1 and -2? Because 1 is whole, -1 is whole number. So you will plot that -1 whole 3 upon 4 in between -1 and -2. ये नंबर किसके बीच में आएगा, 0 और -1 के बीच में आएगा क्या, नहीं, क्योंकि -1 के बाद आपको फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट भी है, 3 upon 4 भी है, तो ये आएगा -1 और -2 के बीच में आएगा. So -1 whole 3 upon 4. Then again you will, after -1 you will divide this number line into 4 equal parts. That is -1 upon 4, -2 upon 4, -3 upon 4 and -4 upon 4 means it is -2. Then -3 upon 4 we have. So it is 1 whole -1 whole 3 upon 4. This is the representation of. Now this is the representation of -7 upon 4 on number line. Next topic is rational numbers between two rational numbers. We have two rational numbers 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. इन दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में हमें 5 रैशनल नंबर्स बताने हैं. कौन से 5 रैशनल नंबर्स आएंगे? We have 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. These two rational numbers are given and we will find the 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. For this, first we will take the LCM of 5 and 3. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now we have one of the rational number 4 upon 5. We change that rational numbers into equivalent rational number. हमें क्या करना है, इस 4 upon 5 को इसके equivalent rational number में convert करना है, change करना है as denominator is equal to the 15. अब हमें ऐसे नंबर से 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, then you will get 15. So 5 multiplied by 3, you will get 15. Similarly, you will multiply this numerator with 3. हमें numerator को भी 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now the equivalent rational number of 4 upon 5 is 12 upon 15. Now next rational number is 2 upon 3. Next rational number is 2 upon 3. Again you will find the equivalent rational number of 2 upon 3, that the denominator as equal to the LCM. मतलब इसका denominator कितना आना चाहिए, equal to LCM, that is 15. So you will multiply this 3 by 5. अगर आप 3 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then you will get 15. Similarly, you will multiply numerator also with 5. Then 5 2s are 10. अब यहाँ आए हैं एक rational number आया 12 upon 15 and another rational number is 10 upon 15. You will find the 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. अब यहाँ देखिए, you have one of the rational number 12 upon 15 and another is 10 upon 15. अब 12 और 10 इन दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ एक रैशनल नंबर है 11 अपॉन 15, और कोई आ रह गया 10 अपॉन 15, 10, 11 एंड 12. सो ये फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि हमें चाहिए 5 रैशनल नंबर, हमें 5 रैशनल नंबर चाहिए इनके बीच में. तो ये क्या मिल रहा है, हमें सिर्फ एक रैशनल नंबर मिल रहा है. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस 12 अपॉन 15, multiply and divide by 6 or 3, any number you can multiply. पहले हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे. You can multiply it by 1, 2, 3 up to any number. Then 12 multiplied by 3 कितना होगा 36 and 15 3s are 45. Next rational number is 10 upon 15. Again you multiply this 10 upon 15 by 3. 10 3s are 30 and 15 3s are 45. Now how many rational numbers between this 30 and 36? You can 31, 30 के बाद 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. That means 5 rational numbers you will get in between these 2 rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers between 30 upon 45 and 36 upon 45 are 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon 45 and 35 upon 45. How many rational numbers are in between 30 and 36? Are 5, and these are 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon 45 and 35 upon 45. So these are the rational numbers in between 30 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. Now we have minus 1 and 0. We will find the 6 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. So we have one more question, that is list 6 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Now we have 2 rational numbers minus 1 and 0, and we will find 6 rational numbers between these two. You can write minus 1 as minus 1 multiply and divide by 7. So you can write it minus 7 by 7 and 0 as it is. So first rational number is minus 7 upon 7, and you can write it minus, in between minus 7 upon 7 and 0 you can plot 6 rational numbers like this: minus 6 upon 7, minus 5 upon 7, minus 4 upon 7, minus 3 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7, minus 1 upon 7 and 0. We multiply and divide this minus 1 by 7, then you will get minus 7 upon 7. So first rational number is minus 7 upon 7, that means it is minus 1. So the 6 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are minus 6 upon 7, 6 upon 7, minus 5 upon 7, minus 4 upon 7, minus 3 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7 and minus 1 upon 7. These are the 6 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0.